You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this hot sauce produced in California. If you want to learn more confusing food names, Mexican food names, brand names from food, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. Hot sauce, salsa picante, tapatio. Tapatio. There's normally an accent on the I, meaning that you need to stress on that tio. Tapatio. That's your Spanish pronunciation. In English, it's pronounced similarly. Tapatio. Tapatio. Hot sauce. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.